Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, the latest generation Toyota 4Runner is an extremely popular SUV, and rightfully so. The thing is awesome. But how do you get yours to stick out from the crowd in both looks and off-road performance? With Rough Country's 3.5-inch M1R Lift Kit. Not only is this kit gonna lift your 4Runner 3.5 inches, it's also gonna level it up, getting rid of that nose-down factory rake. And the additional lift is gonna give you additional ground clearance for off-road obstacles. And it's going to give you the ability to run a taller tire, further increasing your ground clearance. Let's take a look at what's included in the kit. First up, we've got our forged aluminum control arms. Not only are they light and strong, they're also engineered with the corrected ball joint angle for the lift, and they've got a fully serviceable, greasable ball joint. Next up, we've got our differential relocation brackets. These are going to lower the factory diff to accommodate for the lift and keep those CV angles exactly where we want them for maximum durability and performance. Up front, we've got our M1R struts. These are gonna give us our lift in the front, and the M1R is a monotube design that's gonna make sure that the oil and the gas stay separated, reducing any cavitation and fading, further enhancing performance. Same thing with the reservoir. That's gonna make sure that our fluid stays cooler on and off road. And of course, our coil springs are specifically rated for the vehicle's weight and the amount of lift on the 4Runner. In the rear, we've got our M1R monotube shocks with these same performance designs. The monotube design, again, keeping the oil and the gas separated, and the reservoir, making sure that oil stays cool. It's hard to miss these. These are our rear lift coils for the back of the 4Runner. To accommodate that, we also have our lengthened rear sway bar links and our track bar relocation bracket, making sure that that rear axle stays centered exactly where you want it. All of this comes together to give you a premium lift with superior handling and ride on-road and unmatched capability off-road. So if you want to make your 4Runner the front runner when it comes to style and off-road capability, check out Rough Country's 3.5-inch M1R Lift Kit. Available today at roughcountry.com.